Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you grilled veggies and chicken recipe. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. I share a lot of new recipes in my channel. These are masala based. Masala is a blend of different spices, but I'm going to use only 3 spice here in this recipe, and it's going to be a super delicious recipe. So please keep watching till the end. You do not miss any step and tips here. So I'm going to prepare this recipe in cast iron today, and I'm doing this on a glass cooktop. So yes, you can use cast iron on a glass cooktop if it's something new for you. Also here you can see I have started making the recipe, and here I have added oil, 1 tablespoon oil. Then I have taken 2 chicken breasts, cut it into thin slice like that. You can see it in the video, and put it in the cast iron. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. This is 5 to 6 garlic cloves chopped like this. So once the cast iron is heated, it gets a heat, it quickly cooks food very faster. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. That is the only ingredient I'm going to use here in this whole recipe. Chicken masala, salt and red chili powder. That's it. And this is going to be ultimate meal that you can make very easily and very fast also. The chicken will cook in the heat. Now we will put everything on one side. Next, we will add the veggies here. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon oil once again. Here I have taken red onion. You can take your favorite veggies here. You can add carrot or zucchini. Next I'm adding white onion here. Red onion, white onion. Give it a good mix. The cast iron is really hot now. I'm cooking all this in medium heat. Never cook on high heat unless you want that burnt texture or a smoky texture to your food. Never cook on high heat in cast iron. Let it be cooked in medium low heat. The veggies will cook on one side. Chicken is cooking. Next we add bell peppers here. I'm once again adding 1 teaspoon of chicken masala here. If you want the chicken masala that I'm using, I will mention it in the link below. You can go and look at it, the spices that I'm going to add here. So here I've taken Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder is basically for nice red color, and it is not spicy at all. So you can add this to your recipes if you like. I will mention the link for this also in the video description below. Now give it a good stir. Mix everything well. If you want the veggies to be a little crunchy, you can cook this without closing the lid. But here I'm going to close the lid for cooking the broccoli. So here I'm adding broccolis now. Add all the veggies here. You can add zucchini, you can add squash, all your favorite veggies here. Give it a good mix. Chicken is almost cooked. I'm closing the lid just to cook the broccoli. Less than 5 minutes and it's almost done. Broccolis are nicely cooked. Now mix everything well. So just one main ingredient that I use here is the chicken masala. Very flavorful. That sums up all the spices. You don't have to add a lot of spices here. Just this chicken masala. I will mention it in the link below. If you're really interested to buy it, try this recipe. It's like wow. You can prepare this in advance and enjoy your meal prepping with this chicken fahi. I'm using this spatula set. It is very nice and sturdy, very comfortable to use, and it has a high heat resistant up to 600 Fahrenheit. Wonderful product from Geekhom, and it comes in a box with 4 different size of spatula set. I will mention it in the link below. So here you can see the chicken and mixed veggie recipe is done. Very good for meal prepping. I hope to see you soon again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.